Hey, I'm Mindy Kniss. This is the Daily Rage. Let's walk through this absolutely gorgeous FOMC 123 trade from today. Clearly, this was down one on this candle. That was the FOMC announcement. That's supposed to be a down pointing arrow. You'll have to forgive my art skills here. This then would have been up two. Why? Because we came all the way down to here, bounced off from that point up to here, worked our way down in that same candle, gave us a very clear signal of this proceeding down from this gravestone doji. And then we just kind of fell off the ledge right here. So this was down one, up two, down three here. This would be move three. And then we just continued lower. I mean, still, even now, yes, we had this little bounce, but still pushing lower at this point. And look, if you look down here at the bottom right hand corner, this is the range today, 608 points. Now, this number, 299.7, is the average true range. So we are more than double the normal range on the NASDAQ today. That is just awesome. I mean, this is a serious candle here on the 60-minute and, got a little bit choppy up in here, but then just like fell off again. Got a little choppy, a little wicky in this portion. We'll see what happens going forward. But like I said, this was just an absolutely gorgeous FOMC 123. It's one of the best that I have seen in recent times, recent FOMC announcements. So hope you were able to take advantage of that today. You'll see there's my P&L on the screen there. I was just trading micros, so that worked out fairly well. I was trading 5 of the micro NASDAQ, and really I was like only trading in this portion. I kind of got out once it was super choppy over here. Once again, pushing lower, OMG. Stay safe out there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.